What up, Sleepy Nation? It's your boy Sleepy, and today we are starting a new series called The SleepyShow Slims. In my epic battle to not be really fat, I am continuing to try Slimming World again. Last time I lost about 3.5 stone, I did really well. Then I remembered that I really like Domino's pizza. So I put it all back on. This time it's different because I don't like Domino's pizza as much anymore. That's important. But in today's episode we are going to make sin-free pancakes. Will they taste good? Who knows? The important thing is I try it so you don't have to. So first step is 40 grams of oats. So I'm going to be using Scotch porridge oats. I need to blend them up and then so they're nice and fine, and then I add in some of the mixture, start to lather it up with the yogurts and stuff before I put into it, and from there that allows us to make the batter. You leave it for 10 minutes, put it in the frying pan, and voila! And it's only sin-free because this is my healthy extra B. Something to do with fibre. But will they taste good as real pancakes? That's what my question is, because honestly, a lot of these similar recipes I've tried do actually taste good as a real thing, sometimes actually better. Some of them really don't. You can hear a bubbling noise because I'm making Hannah soup, which I didn't film because nobody wants to watch me make soup because it's the easiest thing ever. For those who are curious, potato and leeks. So potatoes, leeks, stock, salt, pepper, onion powder, boil it, blend it, add a splash of milk, serve it. You don't need a video for that. So on the zeros we need 40 grams of oats. That's way too many oats. There we are, 40 grams of oats. Boom! Let's do the blendy blend. Okay, so the next step is combining all the ingredients. So first we need 2 eggs. Eggs are also sin-free, which is good. Downstairs I don't actually like eggs, which is a problem. Otherwise I've eaten omelettes all the time and we wouldn't even have this challenge at all. We've got the 2 eggs in. Next we need to add 4 tablespoons of fat-free Greek style Asda's own natural yogurt, like this. We add in 1, 2, 3, 4. We add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, which I'm using again, Asda's own vanilla extract. I think this is also actually free. So there's another one. And we need 1/4 teaspoon of, so 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Baking powder, that was sweetener. I'm getting one step ahead of myself. 3/4 teaspoon. Come on. Here we are. A little bit more. 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder and the same of natural sweetener. And in that goes. Sweetener is also sin-free. Have I missed anything out? Yogurt, eggs. No, I have not, other than the oats. So let's get the oats. They're now all nicely blended up. In they go, in the sink, and I mix all of it up. Now the recipe has to leave that for 10 minutes to soak up some of the moisture, and then you basically fry it off. I'm going to make it nice. Alexa, time 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
So I've decided that I'm going to do it with maple syrup, so I'll probably put 2 syns in for maple syrup, because it's 2 syns per teaspoon. And I'm going to make some bacon medallions, which are also sin-free. I'm going to have American-style bacon pancakes for breakfast. So I like pancakes an awful lot. Okay, so it's time. The batter has actually thickened up quite nicely. What we have in front of me is 2 pans. This one is for the bacon. This one is for the batter. We're going to make the small pancakes in here. We have used the Fry Light, the 1 calorie spreads. The butter one, I wanted to use a coconut oil one, but didn't have it in the shop, but the butter one should be fine as far as I'm concerned. So let's get these pans heated. It's bacon medallions, so these have all the fat already trimmed off, which actually makes them, again, to use the term, sin-free. So here we are. Let's get the bacon medallions on the go. What have we got left? 3. Yeah, I might as well use them all. Okay, so here we are. Then in they go. Let's get myself a spatula. Let's get a good scoop of this. Now, for those of you wondering, the sin value of the overall thing is 0 for the entire batch. Might need a bit more batter in that, actually. Let's watch them fry up. Okay, now we put the bacon on. Now the only problem we had was that the first one, as always in any pancake, was terrible. You get the maple syrup to figure it out, and it's 2 syns for a teaspoon, which really is not much maple syrup at all. You know what? I'm on a diet, so I'll make do. Voila! It doesn't look like the most exciting thing I've ever eaten, but as they say, the proof is in the pudding. They are really good.
Oh, are they?
Have a go.
Yeah, go on. Just a wee bit.
I'm gonna get Hannah's reaction just too.
Come in with me. They taste like pancakes, but they're fluffier.
Yeah, they actually taste better than the normal pancakes I make. They really aren't bad, and you really ain't that much work.
No, they're good.
So, in the I try it, you don't have to, this is a you try. I will include the link to the recipe I used in the description below. They're really good. Now, go away, I'm going to eat my lunch. See you next time.